May ibang laban ang mga basketball stars sa labas ng court. Ito ang Peaceful Dribble March na kampanya laban sa katiwalian. May Agenda Weekend Report si Sheila Salaysay.
Ang mga kampyon hindi lang nakikita sa dami ng panalo, kundi sa tapang ipaglaban ang tama. Ngayon, sumasabak ang mga atleta sa laban sa labas ng hardcourt. Nangunguna rito si 3x3 basketball star Jordan Bartlett, na nagsisilbing matatag na boses laban sa korupsyon. Kasama ni Jordan sina Doug Kramer at The Beast Aguara, pati na rin sina Eruption at ang Eruption Squad, Jen Yerva, Aliyah Hortaleza at Jason Mancao. Ipinapakita nila na ang tunay na sportsmanship ay higit pa sa pagiging mapagpakumbaba sa tagumpay at marangal sa pagkatalo. Ito rin ay ang tapang na lumaban sa mali at ang paninindigan para sa katapatan at pananagutan.
We represent Hoop Bus Philippines. We have the Hoop Jeepney outside. It's a vehicle of change. It's a voice for the people. And right now we are just here in Marikina because we're standing against corruption. So we're here with a lot of athletes, influencers, talented people that we just want to stand against corruption and we want to say that we're with the people.
Naipakita ang mensahe sa Peaceful Dribble March kasama ang Eruption Squad. Bawat dribble ay tibok para sa katarungan, bawat hakbang ay tapang laban sa korupsyon.
Everyone has a voice. Every person has a voice. Everyone has a platform to be able to speak their mind, speak their opinions and their views. And everyone is entitled to one. And ours right now, especially what's going on in the Philippines, is something that is very, very sensitive, but very, very imperative that we need to at least get some sort of justice on what's been going on. And everyone can say, let's end corruption. But how do we do it? And so we got to act as a squad, as together. We're doing the best we can to go around. It may not end today, it may not end tomorrow, but in the future, I'm sure when we're united, we got something to say and we got something to prove.
Para sa kanila, ang protesta ay hindi lang basta marcha. Ito'y pagkakataon para magsalita, ipaglaban ang kabataan at susunod na henerasyon at tuligsain ang matagal ng korupsyon sa bansa.
We all have to do our part. It's for our kids and our children's children future. So I'm here to support my brothers and hopefully be heard. Open secret, the corruption. But when you see the piles of cash on the billiard table and you see the blatant way of them stealing our money, knowing how strict it is to file for your taxes and everything, and then suddenly it's just so easy to steal our money. It becomes so personal.
Sa bawat galaw, bit-bit ng kabataan ang energy at boses nila, proof ng unity at purpose.
Ang kabataan ngayon, maeengganyo nyo sila na umattend ng mga events, ng mga projects kapag sports siya. So, kung gusto nila to, ibigay natin sa kanila to with a meaning na mas malalim po sa sports. So ngayon, nakikita nila, umattend sila dito, nag-wear sila ng white, hindi lang dahil gusto nilang mag-basketball. Pakikiisa na rin doon sa kung ano yung pinaglalaban natin, kung ano yung project natin ngayon. So, sports with a meaning. Yun.
Basketball and corruption!
Ipinapakita ng mga atletang ito na ang tunay na kampyon ay hindi nasusukat sa tropeyo, kundi sa mga laban na kanilang pinipili para sa kinabukasan ng mga Pilipino. Para sa Agenda Weekend, Sheila Salaysay, Billionaire News Channel.